can assume is just kill the shit out of people. I can do that. I can do that well. Well, once I'm more warmed up, I can do that well. Man, last time I was playing this game, I was an animal. Oops, sorry, I'm hitting my scratching itchy. He descended upon the enemy camp late at night. He was careful and deliberate. He sowed such terror and confusion that the Dark Lord's soldiers would kill each other if he didn't take their lives for himself. Damn, 550 M for this bad boy. Getting fucking paid. Alright, what are we doing? Kill or being detected. Stealth brand defenders.
Pay attention.
Cool. I could do that. Are these defenders? Hey. Excuse me. Who's detecting me? Oh, that's not a defender. Is this guy?
Hate how the boss rations out the prop. Don't think we've done good enough.
Yeah, the shield guys are defenders. Got it. Oh, there's two of them over there.
Slaves I keep getting.
I mean, I just gotta kill these guys. I don't need to. Oh, he was a defender. I didn't know that. My bad. Excuse me. Oh, he's on the other side of the ledge. Excuse me. Don't mind me. Oh. Where? Who? Oh. Wrong one. Shouldn't have noticed me, man.
Wait! I smell something.
You don't smell shit, bruh.
This Uruk's been slain.
Oh shit, he's gonna pull a few. Nope, just him. Just like everyone else is like, I don't give a fuck, dude.
I'm hearing things.
Can't see shit. Can't see shit.
That again. They were made for who? Unless pigskins have grown a third leg, they weren't made by no men.
Well, technically. Well, technically, some people call it the penis. Alright, so I gotta kill this guy over here, shoot one of those guys in the head, and immediately brand the one next to him, so I can get that bonus objective.
I heard that a black captain tied rocks to 50 slaves, then tossed them all in a river.
I get real close. Got him.
What was that?
That was a perfect completion. That was it? Oh, that was it? Did I not get the brand in time? Oh, I don't care if I didn't get the bonus. It's only 50. That means very little to me. Alright, let's see. Upgrades. We can get those elf shots. And we're 100 away from getting the Dagger rune slot. Then I'm going to finish off focus health and the shots and stuff. And then maybe finish these. I know, like, I could go for one of these, but they're so expensive that I'm afraid if I go for one of them, I might not have enough room to finish off these. And if for some reason I start playing this game in that, like, higher up mode, to where you just go around and get points from killing shit, I feel like I'm gonna want as many slots open as available. Also, health focus and elf shots are really nice, really helpful. So, oh, wrong button. So yeah. That's why I'm going for those. I mean, yes, of course, unlimited one of those would help a lot in these scenarios. But for the time being, I'm just, you know, I'm not going to get them. Because there's no way I can get them in time. Or maybe there's a way, I don't know. I'm just hoping with all the outcasts and all the other ones that it's designed so that you can acquire all single abilities if you do 100%. I'm hoping that that's a thing, though you probably won't be able to see them in action if it is a thing, because those will be last, but, you know, it's whatever. During the Sword Legend, you're going to see a lot of the endless executions, so, you know, you'll get a taste of what it's like. So don't worry. What's up?
How come he killed a bunch of us just yesterday? Because he's a ghost. You kill him and he just comes back.
That's true.
You'll see. He'll be back in the soul.
That's kind of a fucked up thing, you know? Like, they keep killing me. He's like, what are we supposed to do? We keep killing him. He keeps coming back. We can't beat him. His enemies tried in vain to keep the terrors of the night at bay. He would extinguish both their efforts and their hope. For another 550. That's what I like to see. Ooh, shit. Avoid detection and eliminate torchbearers. Attract and distract. Attract or distract and kill orcs. 5 of them. I could do that. That's just like any orc, like even these ones down here, right? Is there a ledge? I think there's a ledge leading up to this.
They was good warriors, all of them. One of
Oh.
them was a berserker, not a warrior. Whatever they were, they shouldn't have been dumb enough to stand
There you
so close to
Oh.
the fire when ranger scum was around.
Oh, that's a torchbearer. Well, I mean, it's just eliminating them as well.
Did you hear that?
I don't think he counts as a torchbearer, though. Though he is bearing a torch. I think they want me closer into the pit. Okay, so this bonus objective should be easy to acquire. Though a lot of people moved from my detection! Oh, go on, keep going, keep going. Don't stop now!
You keep your eyes open and try not to die.
Well, you know
Speak for
that's...
yourself.
That is a good strategy, try not to die.
Fishery ladder last week.
Alright, so I haven't really discussed this. But my goal for today,
I saw something.
I want to get your ass over here, boy. I want to finish these daggers, and I want to finish the bows. That is my goal for the day, at least. Die, bitch! That is my goal. Oh.
I just hear something.
I don't think there's there's no one to view of this. Perfect. Yeah, so I want to do all these and then finish the bows if I have time, the bow legends if I have time, and that'd be my goal for today. So I only have the sword and outcasts left, which is, God, I want to finish all of them today, but you know, it's fine, it's whatever. So I only need 2 of those, so I should start going for the torch carriers. Oh wow, that's a far drop. So that I can finish both of these at the same time. Why am I going for the bonus objectives on all of them? I don't know. I guess I just want to try to get as much
What with all these supplies?
of the Mordor points as physically possible, so that... What is this music? There's some epic ass music for no reason. We're gonna go a long way around. I do not want to get detected at this point. I'm doing quite well, if I do say so myself. I don't want to fuck this up. So these guys count as orcs, right? So I'm gonna track this guy. Kill him, and it should work out. Hey, what's up? Yep. And no. Near each ghoul nest. So maybe I had to... Alright, well, that's fine. There's plenty of them around, so... I can kill these 2 and then go for all of them. Just as eliminate, I could shoot them in the head. I don't understand what it's asking me. Orc torchbearers near each ghoul nest. Is this the area near the girl nest? There's one. Oh god, ghouls. Hey! He's just running up to him. Fuck you! Oh. Okay, I gotta eliminate all of them that are around the 3 ghoul nest sections. I get it now. I understand now. I get what the confusion was. He's under the thing. I can't see him. All these guys seem to be under the thing, and I cannot see them. Oops, I'm bad. Oh. Can't see him anymore either. So let's just take care of these guys. Perfect. Now there's less people to get in my way. Beep. There's a lot of people down here.
Something just moved.
I mean, something just died. Maybe it's just rats shooting people in the head. Oh, what? Are you shitting me? Oh my god. He didn't even see me. Fucking horse shit. I think that was this one. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so pissed. He didn't see me. That was bullshit. Y'all saw he didn't see me. And you guys know it. That's some old bullshit. Up, up, up.
Agree. It's always the berserkers who get the grub.
See ya. I don't have time to be here right now. So I'm gonna have to ask y'all to, yeah, peace out, fuck off. See ya. When I activate the quest, it eliminates all of them, so you know, it moves them all back, gets me away from detection, all that shit. So I don't really need to. Okay, dude, drop, like onto the thing though. Like, there you go. There we go. I got some more elf shots. Okay, do it before he activates the portal. Or activates all the people. We don't need that shit. Alright, let's go to these areas, try this again. This time we can get the bonus objective done at the thing at the same time, because I thought I was like, oh, kill 3 people, but no, let's kill a bunch of people in 3 areas. So now that I understand that, we can get both these quests done, hopefully sooner. Get your slow bitch ass over here. What's up? What's good? See ya. Scurry our ass over here. Track our next victim. Yes, victim. Yes. Excuse me, sir. But you want to come over here. I got a present for you. And while he's taking his time to get over here, I'm gonna pop on the light. I'm just gonna spam. Oh, it's like I'm just gonna spam X because I can't see. But then I come back and he's not even in position. I was like, ah, fuck. Fuck. Okay, I got all full 12 shots again. Oh my god. Get where? What are you? Stop! Stop! Okay, there's one more in here. Oh my god! Seriously. Body shots, bitches.
We've got a killer lurking around.
me hard. Okay. You just had to. You just had to. How do you feel now? How the fuck do you feel now, you little bitch? Oh my god, I hate these fucking missions. They'll get detected. Though if you pop out for 1 second, everyone's gonna see you. Me. Alright. See you in a second. After I get all the fucking way back. And do this all the fucking way over again. Alright, got one nest down. We're gonna head for the other one. Though I'm afraid to do such, because everywhere seems to be a bad place. I just really need to pay attention to my location and the location of my enemies before I kill and or move. There's a ghoul. The ghouls will hopefully distract them. If I can find archer or something. What? Did anyone else see that? Not only did I target the guy up top, I didn't go to him. It put me in the bottom next to a guy that I didn't even kill. This game and its fucking pathing, dude, is fucking garbage. Those are the kind of things you test for, and that's the reason you have testing. I mean, this is day one shit. Alright, again, got one down. There's no one below this time. It should go up. Alright, sweet. Good start. That's how it should have fucking gone last time. That's not how it went. Alright, this one guy here. I need him to see me. There's one person up this way, but there's no one else around here. So I can use this location to sneak. Oh yeah, right, it's underground. Or not underground, but it feels like it's underground. Okay, so we can't fuck this part up. Do this, guys. We can do this. I should say I can do this. Okay, so many people down here. That's the problem. I still need a lure. So many people. That's just a suicide mission, in my opinion. We need to go around. To kill them with it all without being spotted does not seem possible. So we need to go around. We need to get to the other side.
These cannibals ain't looking for nothing but a meal. If they're not
Look,
careful,
well, that's their nature, man.
That it? That's it, all right. I'm always been good at hunting those beasts down.
Okay, let's see what we got. I feel like I have to really be fucking stealthy. He said as he jumped into the fucking... Oh, no, 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 no.
Grateful I got rid of them. Only thing you killed was a couple of slaves, too weak to stand up straight. I know the difference between a ghoul and a soft skin, you glob. The soft skins have a specific kind of stick to them.
I don't know if this is gonna work, man.
The ground broke loose and now someone's gotta go get it back. Well, I'm not doing it. I've got better things to do. I say leave it, bro. Maybe it'll stomp on a few ghouls.
Oh my god. He didn't die. He didn't die. I got his attention though. That's for damn sure.
I was bored to tears too.
Someone's sneaking about.
Okay, just gotta do this by the book. That bear not counted. Okay. Just gonna say that bear not fucking count, or I'm going to go ape shit. Okay, so we need to drop down this way.
I'm gonna learn to ride it.
Okay. So there's one. Oh, that's the next location. So they're all down here, which is the bitch of it. Okay, this guy's alone. Alright, sweet. There's a archer. Bitch ass. Okay, we should be able to peck these two and walk away, but I think I can lure. Yeah, I can attract this guy and just pray that nothing bad happens because of such. Oh, thank God. Okay, so I can shoot this guy and get out of here. Alright, slow down time to get back into cover so that people couldn't look over in my direction. Okay, there's no one up here, so let's head up. And all the girls are coming out. That should distract them from the fact that someone just got killed. So, alright, 2 down. If I fuck this up at this point, I'm gonna be so mad. So let's not fuck it up. I see someone looking in my direction behind me. I want to check what that's all about. Okay, he's down, so he won't see me go up. There's 2 archers up here. Not something I'm overly fond of, but it's whatever. We're safe up in this spot. We can plot out our next plan. We got a guy over here. He's one of the torch carriers. But there's a lot of people down there.
If they want to take on an army.
Shit. Let's head up. Yeah, they'll see me up here if I attack from up here. So that's something that's not going to happen. I'm trying to get close enough to trigger the event so I know who I'm going to be fighting. Go all the way. There we go. Event triggered. I really don't care if I get the bonus objective, so if I can pop all these guys in the head, that'd probably be my best bet. I would assume starting with the archer closest to me, because he's gonna see me or not if he turns around. Okay. I say go for broke. That's what I'm talking about. Go for broke. That's the way to win. Oh, I swear, if that didn't work, I would have fucking lost it. Just fucking lost it. Alright, let's go for the next one. Fatal Secrets. And then there's only, yeah, there's only like 2 more, right? I mean, these are the last 2, huh? Not that one. Upgrades. Oh yeah, I can upgrade the slot. It's gonna, yeah, show me, oh, hey, paid in blood. Just type a little blood. Yeah, 2 more. 2 more daggers. Daggers. That's it. I thought dagger and legend together. Daggins. 2 more daggins. And if we keep this up, I mean, I got time. I definitely got time. I thought this would take longer. If we finish the bow like boom, 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 because the bow's not that as hard as the fucking daggers, because the bows just kill people with the bow. Then we might be able to take out swords as well. That would be fucking awesome. So let's get moving, huh? Let's get moving. It's all the way over here. Well, not all the way. It's short distance, but I ain't running it. I'm fast traveling. It's what I do. Yeah, okay. Oh, shit. Don't touch the stuff. Everything's still on? Everything's still good? Okay. Green light. We're good. That's a Caragor. Oh, he's locked up, though.
You got reach and you got shot. What else is there?
You guys are free!